My name is Brandon Allen. I am with Premier Marine, and we are displaying 3 brands of boats at the Sydney Boat Show. We are displaying the Chris Crafts, the Regals, and right now we're actually sitting in the Frauscher 717 GT. It is a new model for Frauscher, and actually the first Frauscher in the Southern Hemisphere, and we're very proud to have it for the Sydney Boat Show as the Australian release. With me today I have friend and boss, Lee Poulsen. She is the brand manager for Premier Marine.
Well, with the Frauscher brand in particular, the dealer principal Steve and myself were at the Genoa Boat Show last October. We're actually there to look at another brand, and then we stumbled upon the Frauscher. Having first looked at it, we just knew that we wanted to have it here. It's based off a 1930s gentleman's racer, but it has a really contemporary edge to it. So you'll look at the lines, they're very hard, very square, very long nose, which is what you don't traditionally see on the boats. Even with the interior, it's real leather, which you rarely see. Most other boats use a vinyl marine grade. The gauges you'll see. Someone actually yesterday told me they thought it looked a lot like what they'd seen on a Mustang. So very traditional, very racy. We actually do have quite a few new releases. Obviously the Frauscher. In particular with the Chris Craft, we have the very first Launch 20, which is your bow rider. Traditionally we only ever had a Lancer model, which was a closed deck. And excitedly with the 28 Corsair, we have the very first silver custom metallic paint placed onto that boat.
We had this boat on display at the Toronto Boat Show, and it is a huge hit. It has been an incredible success for Chris Craft and for the dealers, and I really think that it's going to be the same for us down here in Australia.